Hey there, so if you are on the fence about buying this Dyson V9 motor bar cordless vac, let me show you some of the reasons I decided to grab it. Now, so I decided to grab this because my vacuum was really starting to smell. It does not matter how clean your house is. Over time, eventually, if your vacuum does not have a filtration system, it is going to start smelling even if you clean it. So I've had mine for a few years, so I thought it was time to upgrade to this one. I do have lots of pets in my house. I have long hair. My daughters have long hair. It's also really important to me that I get a motor bar that does not tangle with hair, whether it be my hair or pet hair. And then, of course, when I saw this one was like under 2 pounds, I knew I was going to have to try it. Let me show you what it came with. And it was super simple to put together. You had 1, 2, 3 parts that just simply click together. Obviously, you have your charger, your battery. It does come with several attachments. And it also has a wall unit where you can hang this up. It's as simple as putting this, snapping that in. The battery life is about 40 minutes. You can use this on carpets, rugs, hardwood floors, steps. I mean, your car, again, you name it, you can use it. So let's give it a try. I have a hardwood floor and I do have a thicker rug right here. You're going to see my canister is completely clean. And then you can see the filtration right here. You can open this up and then completely clean that. Hold that trigger, you're going to see there's 3 bars that shows my battery life. And of course, if I'm using low, medium, or high, hold that button in order for the vacuum to stay on. So I'm only on low. And I do like the fact it's not pushing around the dirt that's on my floor. It's actually just picking it up. And of course, the head swivels really nice. I'm going to switch over here to the rug and see how well it does over here. It's got a lot of great suction. And then again, it's easy to fit under my chairs. And just swivels really nice. Let's see how much already is in my canister. You can already see how much is in my canister. A lot of dog hair. We have some food here. I said nice and lightweight. Down to low, just on my hardwood floors. I don't need anything nice. I don't need anything super strong. But it easily transitions to carpet. Does have different suction levels because I do have a washable rug right here that sometimes gets sucked up in my old vacuum cleaner, making it very difficult to vacuum this rug. So let's give that a try. Using this on the eco mode. Now it definitely is harder still to vacuum this particular washable rug, but my old vacuum would actually stop going. This one does not. I can actually push through this. So that's nice that I can still suck up things. Okay, so again, there is all that is grabbed so far. And then let's go over to the garbage so you can see how to empty the canister. The little bar right here, you're going to pull down and empty it. Just like that. So overall, just trying this out, I do love it. It does glide nicely from my hardwood floors to my rugs. And like I said, even though it's still hard, I'm able to actually vacuum my washable rug, which I could not with my old vacuum cleaner. It'll be perfect on my couches, my chairs, and in my car. So if you are undecided about this, I hope this video has helped. I definitely say give it a try. You have nothing to lose. So thanks for watching.